What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Scala product, the hair product. This has been blowing up all over TikTok. All the hair content creators are hopping on this, and I was like, you know what? Why not? I'm going to enhance my curls. I have 4C curls mixed with 4B. So my hair is already wet. I came out the shower. So what I'm going to do first is just apply it all over my hair. It actually smells pretty good, I can't lie. I need to up my product game. Let me know in the comments what product you guys want to see on this channel. I will purchase that product and make a review. And before you guys ask, if you guys are wondering, this Scala is not a gel. It's just like a leave-in conditioner, like a leave-in cream. It's a leave-in cream you can put in your hair. All the 2B, the 2C, all the 3B, all those guys are using these, so I was like, why not hop on it? Alright, so now I'm gonna like twist my hair all around, but do like really big twists so I save time. I got one more. Yo, these twists are horrendous. Oh my gosh. But this is not the style we're doing, so wash your mouth like a boy in a ear. In a ear, miss it. There's some of you guys been asking what ethnicity I am. I'm Jamaican, Trinidadian. Or no, Saint Vincent. Yeah, I don't know. My mom was born in Trinidad, but she grew up in Saint Vincent. That's what I mean. Vincentian, yeah. I'm Vincentian. Yeah, that's the word. You know what? I'm gonna save you guys some time. I'm gonna do a magic trick. Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh, nah.
Oh, hell no.
Nah, chill. Anyways, this is it. But I'm gonna unravel these, put some water in it, shake it, and then you're gonna have to see what the end product is. I'm gonna unravel them right now. Shake it up. I'm gonna get a spray bottle and shake it up, rake it through, and shake. I'll be back in 1 sec. So I got my spray bottle here. I'm gonna spray it. Bro, I have one more twist here. Time to shake.
Bruh. Bruh.
I use a blow dryer and I just diffused my hair, and this is my hair dry after like 30 minutes, I'd say, or like 20 minutes. But yeah, it came out pretty nice.
I think it came out fresh. Curls are popping, and yeah, I'd rate this like a 6. I'm joking. I rated like a 8 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. To be honest, probably the 6-7. No, like for real. 6-7 out of 10 for Scala, 7.5, you know what I'm saying? Final answer, 7.5, but yeah. I'm gonna leave the link to this in the description if you guys wanna go check it out. If you wanna purchase this or whatever, use it for yourself. But yeah, this is the end of my video. If y'all found it helpful, or if you guys enjoyed it. I know some of you guys follow along with me while I am putting in these products, but If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed it, also let me know in the comments. And without further ado, I'm out. Peace. God bless.